Fantan Mojah allegedly ordered a hit because of the war.
Them find out. Them find kill already.
From America. Everybody, me go through 2019. Everybody think me get deported.
Because
I know my family. I know me fly down.
apparently, Jamaican Sunday in a jail up there.
When you get deported from America, then deal with wicked.
And him go back to Jamaica and him dip him.
Size and style, kind of
and then
kids,
apparently, the man, what the Rasta man in him again, Fantan Mojah.
And family, I say, yo, right now,
the man Fantan Mojah has some issue. And a Fantan Mojah send man to go deal with the crime. It's a page named Madras.
So, Jamaican daughter just call him mother a while ago, and them a look for him. So you know it's a real thing. Yeah, we don't make up nothing. And when the business are who and what one, and I tell we don't forget involved. There's a reason why we involved. Yeah, y'all like how them broke.
A Fantan Mojah.
Yeah, we have to fix things now.
Fantan Mojah blood clot family. Fantan Mojah send them say. Them say a Fantan Mojah send. Man to go kill the youth. Because of some dissing we're going.
When I the youth them, it's true. Then come from Madras life and I say certain things. So you have to evaluate everything. You know, we have people that look on every angle. And this constant thing I come up now, where they must say beef are going with. Here the next youth, them in say war, turf war, go on.
My next artist.
Yeah.
Me hear about that. Me they got ask, me they got DM. Madras and Fatin to just investigate.
Yeah. I saw that's why I'm not too pressure.
So turf war are going between Fantan Mojah and Jamaican.
From earlier.
So what I allege are not true. Still need them local things.
No, we have to explore it because you see, even if I'm not sure, we can't keep it under the internet, under the carpet, because we don't want it to develop into something. Because name a call and people, you don't know what go on. So yeah, we want to clarify. We don't want to bag a direction and develop way.
So I saw youth company internet earlier and I talk some things.
15 of them come out. Something and something.
15 of them.
Want to know? You see, through them people, them get exposed. They must say, yeah, contract thing. If you pay attention, when you must say, yo, left we alone. Because the way I saw Jamaica run, contract thing and Ray, man, Ray. And like that, and then they come back now, when you get explode now, they try to retract their statement. So, right now, Madras, keep blazing the fire. We're heading in the right direction.
No lie.
Fantan Mojah, you're in trouble.
Yes, Jamaican people. First of all, I just want to say condolences to I am Mason and his family. That are John Mason and his family. You know, me I listen to the radio today and hear Amber make mention of him losing his son in a tragic way over the internet. And I say Jamaica, I was really gone to, really, honestly. I saw we have to settle all disputes. I saw we have to deal with matters and deal with one brother and sister. You know, just by everything is gone. Why this whole heap of gun and this whole heap of shot thing? I don't understand where that for. Or where it come from. Or where it should, well, wherever it come from. You know, that not really we still, and you know, I guess, Jano, we have to find ways and means to deal with the dispute and with anger and whatever we have got through in our life. You know, I know so boy, just like how you don't deal with your life, you want your life secure, and so you have to secure your brother's life too, you know. You see me I say? We just want to say condolences, you know, to the family, you know, to John Mason family and John Mason himself, you know. Jaja, God no, I mean, tired of this whole heap of killing and the youth them mainly. Nowadays come like them a drop out like rice grain. When you come up as youth a live, people live to learn all, people live. I mean, Jaja, yo, I just want to say condolences, you know. Jamaican people, we have to do better, we have to do far much better than what we are doing. You know, see it? We are kill out with nation, we are kill out with energy, we are kill out with strength, we are kill out everything that is Jamaican. And at the end of the day, we are going to complain. So, yo, Jamaica this and Jamaica that. You understand? Jamaica one of the greatest islands on the earth. You know, see it? Probably if not the greatest, one of the. Our people, we above the levels of a lot of people based on the ability what we have. You understand? And how we come create things and make things and turn things into stardom and turn things into trends. And we are the trendsetter. We don't want gun and bullet thing to be a trend-setting thing for Jamaican people. Because that now bring we go nowhere. That now carry we go nowhere. You understand what I say? Some of us as a people, Jamaican people, we could just deal with each other upon a level now. We could come to terms and start sitting down and reason now. We could get back to them terms, you know. We could start settle dispute in a different way, you know. And that me I say, you know. You don't see it. I not even do this with no social media thing, you know, but you don't know. I have put out there because, you know, I just say big up to Jack Mason. And I just want to say condolences to the eye and the family, your loved ones, you know, your children, everybody who associated and related, you know, to your son. You understand? I have to make that one now, honestly. I mean, he's not a man who really make no video on him something for social media like that, but God no. Amber, big up yourself too, you know. You don't know, because, you know, if you never say it, and me never there, at least if me never tune in and you say it, Amber, I wouldn't even hear it. You see me? Or probably me don't find some other way of hearing by going to the studio or so, but you don't know. Big up yourself, Amber. You see it? I am Mason. Much love and respect, my brother. Saying, peace and love.